It's like 75 degrees today. It's really nice out, and I'm trying to mill up this giant, giant log. I ran out of gas inside this cut, but I'm squaring the cant. So you call, it's a log when you put it on the mill, but when you square it, it becomes a cant. Just you spell it just how it sounds. And so I'm taking off these 1/2 inch, they're actually about 5/8 slices. And I'm making a big stack of these slices as I take this down and make this mostly square. You can see on this side I haven't cut it at all. On this side I have a little bit of a slice. And I'm going to keep slicing it and rotating it, slicing it and rotating it until I get it mostly square with a little bit of live edge. This is the thinner end, so that was the butt of the tree. This was higher off the ground, and since it's smaller diameter, you can see I already have almost 3 square sides. But when you look over here, you can see that I don't have any square sides yet, because this was several inches larger in diameter, and the root would have been right about here. So this is just after the flare where the roots would be growing like this. The sawdust. If it's a big cut, this bucket will get filled in a single pass. Just finished that cut. Time for the next one. Good. All right, ready to bring this down a little more. Looking good though.